In today's video, we are going to show you how to add postage on Vinted so your buyers know exactly how much shipping costs before they purchase. Now, this works whether you are listing clothes, shoes, or accessories. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon, and I want you to click the settings. In the left side area of the navigation panel, depending on your account type, you should be able to see the postage here. But if not, it's okay because under the shipping section, all I have to do is super simple. Now, if you want, you want to make sure that you can use your address so that couriers will collect or deliver orders, and this is gonna be what they are going to use to process returns. Now click the plus button to add your address. Make sure that you have your full name, address line, and all the information correct, and click the save address. Okay, now here at the bottom you see that there is an option here for the shipping as seller. Now you can choose which options you'd like to use for each shipping type. If you want to save time, you can use from your address, especially if you have put your address here. Okay, since I'm not choosing that, I don't want all my items be picked up on my address. My preference is from a drop-off point. Okay, so you take the order to a location like a locker or a package shop. Because I have a partner, click the drop the menu and you can use from any of the following shipping provider. Alright, so you have Better Trucks and USPS. As you can see, I cannot choose USPS because USPS is not available in some region or area. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to add a postage in Vinted. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.